How to delete photos from iCloud on iPhone. Before we begin, keep in mind that if iCloud Photos is turned on, deleting a photo from your iPhone will also remove it from iCloud and any other Apple devices signed in with the same Apple account. To get started, open the Photos app and find the photo or video you want to delete. Tap Select if you're deleting multiple items, then choose the photos you want to remove. Now tap the trash icon in the bottom right corner, then tap Delete Photos to confirm. The selected photos will be moved to the recently deleted album, where they'll stay for 30 days before being permanently removed. If you want to delete them immediately, go back to the Albums tab, scroll down to Recently Deleted, then tap Select, followed by Delete All, or choose specific photos and tap Delete. Once you confirm, the photos will be permanently deleted from iCloud and all of your synced Apple devices. That's it. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, iCloud tutorials, and easy tech guides.